Ilabas yan. Ito yung pinaka-picture sa Nabasag yung mga ganyan-ganyan, sige. Kaya pang abiling ko, ang kanay mura lang yan. Kunin mo nga, bigyan mo nga siya.
Or yung 2-house challenge, ano lang, para sa weekly budget, kung ano nang booking. And then may challenge sila para sa sport. Friendly naman.
Habang sa veranda, nag-uusap sila JP, Kai at Rain tungkol sa kanilang saloobin.
Hindi naman na talaga yung ex-off dito sa mga games sa loob.
Kaya taga natapos sa mga kalokohan. Kasi bigyan mo siya eh. Huwag ka na po masinunoy eh. Si bakla kasi din, hindi alam ni bakla eh. Pakpok na rin. Pakpok na rin. Pakpok na rin. Magay-day mo kang tapokpok ko.
Marami pa tuyo niya.
Kayaan mo, nasa kanya yung iubusin niya nga daw yan. Kumain ka na, kumain ka na. Kumain ka na, Mima, kapag ito sa ASEAN.
Si Kuya Pat, kasi remember when you were mad about the long run sa hotdog? Ako na, hindi ko sa Kuya Pat.
Ano siya ngayon kasi? Ano siya ngayon?
Kasi totoo na yun. Hindi na ako talaga yun. Dahil usapan natin, kailangan kampi ako sa inyo. Hindi dapat ako sa inyo. Pero ang totoo, is dapat kasi sa inyo. Sa inyo may totoo din.
Kaya nga, dali na, tahimik na ako kasi naisip ko, ano kaya? Kung kanina, dinidefend ko pa
Opo, po.
possibilities nila. Ay, hindi ka na maisip. Siguro, we don't get it po, Kuya. Bakit? They couldn't give us a share of the chicken pa, Kuya. Ayun kasi
Kaya pala
Nakakain mo, diba?
ano sila sa akin?
Hindi na naman yun. Hindi na naman ako. Hindi na naman ako.
Alam mo kaya galit sila no? Eh ngayon, lose control sila. Sila ang susunod.
Ito, hindi naman sila kasama. Ang sweet pa tayo sa ID. Ayun na naman ano eh. Nag-hirap tayo ng we worked hard po for weekly budget po, Kuya. And the church shop po. Grabe po yung pagod po and effort we gave po to get the weekly budget po, Kuya. Pero, the house challenges po, Kuya, they don't wanna give us some po, Kuya. Siguro naiinspin po kami kasi hindi kami makakain po ng pinaghirapan ko namin.
We can be against them, but they're not in danger anymore kasi hindi na sila housemates ni Kuya.
Ano naman ito eh, paano may possibility na something 80% pa sa kanila? 20%
If we feel this way, we feel this way. So, kung sa'yo nakakainis talaga na pinaghirapan natin, hindi natin makakainis ko. To what extent are you really gonna go na you won't give us 20% lang ng chicken? Can feel inis also, it's valid.
Sige ganito, 90% namin dito sa kanila.
Oo. 7% is so small na support.
Cute.
Bakit kakapareho tayo pa ibigay? Kung bang hirap ng nabibigay sa atin na
We're fine po, Kuya. Without meat, we can survive po. Gulay only. It's just that the fact na pinaghirapan po namin yun, kaming lahat.
sumatang sila dun sa loob. Sarap buhay sila.
Wala pa po. Bago pa sila.
Doon, pero mga sobrang pera. Aircon. Pandi shower.
drama na yan.
Dami.
Yung man, ako muna siya payakin.
Nakapagtano sila. Nakapagpupumbak sila. Samantala tayo dito sa labas. Ilan lang, apat lang. Ito tayo, nangingin sa tayo. Kasi ayaw pa tayo bigyan ng manok na pwede. Ito process lang.
Meron bang sitwasyon na ganito rin yung naranasan?
Maybe it's not to me po, pero what happened to my parents po kasi really affected me po as a person. Yun na po yun sa dad ko when he lost his job just because the boss didn't want Filipino. Tinangal po lahat ng Filipinos and then my dad, wala lang trabaho. Tuloy-tuloy na yung problema niya. My lola was confined and COVID. Ayun, nabaon siya sa utang po, Kuya. It made me question in my life po like, why? My dad's so nice talaga. Like, he didn't do anything to hurt anyone and stuff like that. Pero why? Do we deserve that? My parents, they were so, I'd say, rock bottom po talaga nun. Ang sa utang, my dad didn't have trabaho kasi COVID. I feel so bad for my parents po kasi, I can't do anything like that. And like, hindi pa ako makahelp kasi I'm just a 13-year-old girl po, kuya. Eh, yun nga po, that was the time na na-open ko talaga eyes ko about life. Like, kahit you're a nice person, the world is so cruel po talaga. It's just so mean. Like, mabait naman talaga ng dad ko, ng mom ko. They did everything not for themselves, for their family po, for their loved ones. One snap, you can lose your job and stuff like that. I love them so much po, kuya. I can see how hard they're trying to not make their children feel po, kuya. Nahihirapan na po sila. And then when my mom, like, needed but my mom needed like a healthcare assistance during that time po, kuya. They can't do anything po because they didn't have money po, kuya. So, I can really see po, kuya. My dad did everything po talaga para hindi po namin masyado mag-feel yung paghihirap po, kuya. And to just bring us, to bring back po what we were, the life we were living po, kuya. I feel so thankful po and blessed po that I have a dad po like that. He really loves our he loves the family po, kuya. I just can't imagine po talaga what my life could have been po if my dad wasn't that hardworking and nice po, kuya. So, feel ni Ate Jess and ni Jaren.
Basta, di ako sila magkatugma ko. Kaya Ate Jess, ang sila nagbutuan mo sila. Mga griba, mga hatagan pa dere. Si Ate Jess at si Jaren, siyempre agree sila. Yung si Kuya Dingdong 50-50. Eh di man agree si Kuya Pat na gaan.
So, may reason if you're perfect in this admission.
Wala sila kabalo kung ang karne ba.
It might sound shallow po, kuya, na we're getting in this po over chicken. If we really think deeply into it, grabe po kasi talaga yung pinaghirapan ko namin.
Insin niyo mo siya,
po, kuya. Na-feel ko na kasi po, kuya, the first day pa po of this challenge, it's unfair. Kasi we're the housemates, pero we're living outside, stuff like that. Pero I accepted it po kasi it's the challenge. I didn't think so much about it, kuya. I didn't dwell on the fact that it's unfair. They're a house challenger for a reason. Pero po, on this topic na po, that's how I can relate what happened to my parents po before. They worked so hard, pero they couldn't get what they want to get po, kuya. And it's so unfair.